Hey there, Wealth Walkers. It's Alex here, and I'm thrilled to share something close to my heart today. We're diving into the world of gaming reward apps, a topic I'm genuinely passionate about. Why? Because these apps have been a game changer for me, literally and figuratively. Remember when I was struggling to make ends meet last year? Those were tough times. I was working 2 jobs, barely sleeping, and still coming up short on bills. That's when I discovered the magic of gaming reward apps. Now, I'm not saying they solved all my problems, but that extra cash sure did help take the edge off. Today, I'm going to share my top 5 ways to earn PayPal cash by playing games. These aren't just random picks. They're apps and platforms I've personally used and cashed out from. In fact, I recently withdrew $60 from one of these. So let's dive in and explore how you can have fun and pad your PayPal account at the same time. 1. Cash Giraffe. Quick wins for Android users. First up, we have Cash Giraffe. This app holds a special place in my heart because it was my introduction to the world of gaming rewards. Here's the lowdown. It's an Android-only app. You earn by downloading and playing new mobile games. The best part? You can cash out to PayPal with just 20 cents earned. I remember the first time I used Cash Giraffe. I was skeptical, thinking, there's no way this is real. But within an hour of playing a new puzzle game, I had earned 50 cents and cashed out to PayPal. It wasn't much, but seeing that money hit my account so quickly was a real confidence booster. Cash Giraffe offers a variety of games to choose from, gift card rewards in addition to PayPal cash, one of the lowest payout thresholds in the industry. While you won't get rich quick with Cash Giraffe, it's perfect for those moments when you need a quick coffee or want to treat yourself to a small indulgence. Plus, it's a great way to discover new games you might enjoy. What I really love about Cash Giraffe is how user-friendly it is. The interface is intuitive, making it easy to find new games and track your earnings. I've found that strategy games tend to offer the best rewards, but there's something for everyone. One time I discovered a hidden object game that was so engaging, I forgot I was even earning money. It's important to note that earnings can vary. Some weeks I've made up to $10, while other weeks it's been closer to 2 or 3. The key is consistency. I've made it a habit to check Cash Giraffe daily for new offers. Even if I only play for 15 minutes a day, those earnings add up over time. It's become a relaxing part of my evening routine, unwinding with a new game while knowing I'm earning a little extra cash. 2. Scrambly, high-paying game offers. Next up is Scrambly, and let me tell you, this platform surprised me in the best way possible. Scrambly offers PayPal money and gift cards for playing games and answering surveys. Some of the highest paying gaming offers I've seen. A low cash out threshold of just $2. Here's a personal story. Last month, I was really tight on cash. My car needed repairs, and I was short about $50. I remembered Scrambly and decided to give it a serious try. I found a game offer that paid $40 for reaching a certain level. It took me about a week of casual play, but I made it. That $40 plus some survey earnings covered my car repair. Talk about a relief, the catch. Scrambly is currently only available in the United States, but if you're in the US, it's definitely worth checking out. What sets Scrambly apart is the variety of earning opportunities. While we're focusing on games here, I found that mixing it up with surveys can boost your earnings significantly. There was this one time I logged in, intending to play a game, but saw a high-paying survey about my recent online shopping habits. 15 minutes later, I had earned $5. Scrambly also has a great referral program. I mentioned it to a friend who was also looking for ways to earn extra cash, and when he signed up, I got a bonus. It's like getting paid to help your friends make money too. Just remember, patience is key with Scrambly. The highest paying offers often require more time investment, but in my experience, they're worth it. I've started setting mini goals for myself, like earning $20 a week, which has made the process more fun and rewarding. 3. Cash Kick, surveys and games combined. Cash Kick is another platform that's become a regular part of my side hustle routine. What makes Cash Kick stand out? It's primarily a survey site, but with a robust gaming section. Gaming offers can pay between $5 and $20. PayPal is the only payment method, with a $10 minimum payout. I love Cash Kick because it gives me options. Some days when I'm feeling chatty, I'll do surveys. Other days when I just want to unwind, I'll tackle a gaming offer. There was this one time when I found a strategy game on Cash Kick that I absolutely fell in love with. Not only did I earn $15 for reaching a certain level, but I ended up playing the game long after I'd met the goal. It's now one of my favorite mobile games. The downside? There's no mobile app yet, but word on the street is that one's in the works. 4. Moneywell, another Android gem. Moneywell is similar to Cash Giraffe, but with its own unique flavor. Key features: Android-only app, globally available, 50-cent minimum payout to PayPal. I discovered Moneywell during a particularly boring weekend. I was house-sitting for a friend and had a lot of downtime. I downloaded Moneywell and spent the weekend exploring new games. By Sunday evening, I had earned enough to order a pizza, a small victory, but it made my weekend so much more enjoyable. One strategy I found effective is to use Moneywell in conjunction with other apps. I'll start with Cash Giraffe, work through those offers, then move on to Moneywell. It's a great way to maximize earnings across platforms. 5. Bubble Cash, for the competitive spirits. Now, Bubble Cash is a bit different from the others, and I'll be honest, I was hesitant to include it, but I believe in giving you all the options, so here we go. Bubble Cash is a competitive gaming app based on the classic Bubble Shooter arcade game. Requires you to deposit money to play in cash tournaments. Here's my experience with Bubble Cash. I deposited $5 to try it out. The competition was intense, and I won a few rounds and lost a few. After a week, I had turned my $5 into $12. Not bad, but it was stressful. The key thing to remember with Bubble Cash is that you can lose money. It's more like gambling than the other apps we've discussed. So if you're not comfortable with that risk, stick with the previous 4 options. That being said, if you're skilled at Bubble Shooter and enjoy a bit of adrenaline, Bubble Cash can be exciting. I've seen friends who are really good at the game consistently make profits. One buddy of mine turned $50 into $200 over a month. But for every success story, there's someone who's lost their deposit. My advice? If you decide to try Bubble Cash, set a strict budget, and I say it again, set a strict budget. Never deposit more than you can afford to lose. I personally have a Bubble Cash jar where I put loose change. When it reaches $20, that's my Bubble Cash budget for the month. This way, even if I lose, it's money I won't miss. Also, take advantage of their practice mode. I spent a week just practicing before I entered my first real money tournament. This helped me gauge my skill level and understand the competitive landscape. Remember, patience and self-control are key here. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and overspend, so always play responsibly. Wrapping up, my honest thoughts. Alright, Wealth Walkers, let's get real for a moment. These gaming apps have been a lifesaver for me in tough times. They've helped me pay for groceries, cover unexpected bills, and even save up for a nice dinner out now and then. But, and this is a big but, they're not a get-rich-quick scheme. Here's what I want you to take away from this. 1. These apps are great for earning a little extra cash in your downtime. 2. They can be fun and introduce you to new games you might love. 3. Don't expect to replace your day job with these earnings. 4. Be cautious of any app or video promising hundreds of dollars a day from gaming. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. My advice? Try them out. See which ones you enjoy the most. Use them when you're waiting for a bus, during your lunch break, or when you're unwinding in the evening. Every little bit adds up, and you might be surprised at how those small earnings can make a difference. Remember, wealth building is a journey, not a sprint. These apps are just one small tool in your financial toolkit. Use them wisely, have fun, and keep walking towards your financial goals. Before I sign off, I want to thank you all for being part of this amazing WealthWalk community. Your support means the world to me. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips and tricks. Have you tried any of these apps? Do you have other favorites? Let me know in the comments below. I always love hearing about your experiences and discoveries. This is Alex from WealthWalk, reminding you that every game you play could be a step towards greater wealth. Happy gaming and happy earning.